Go.
Go, you're going.
Hey, Miss Brophy. This is us, me, Brendan, Megan, starting our process. We have our first batch in the freezer. Oh, look at those babies. Ah, it's hot. And our first take of sugar right here.
Do you know how hot I can stick my hand into?
And Brendan says it's hot, so looky there.
I just want to see how hot it's at.
See you later.
You can stay.
Hey, Miss Brophy. Project almost killed me. If you can see, there's still a little bit of flame. It's smoking. Because, like, I had this on. We were trying to boil.
It's not working!
The mitten caught on fire. So, thanks a bunch.
Ooh. One.
Hello, Miss Brophy. It's me and Brendan here. Megan on camera. We are just boiling some materials. This is baking soda, also known as BS. That's just how we abbreviate it on stuff. Just kind of funny. Thought you should know. So yeah, this is, I think, take two BS. Yeah, this is the second baking soda that we were doing. And our stuff still freezing, trying to be efficient, just getting stuff done. Stuff in the way.
We're recording.
No, but this thing's a whole lot thinner.
Yeah. You're good, you're not on fire. 87, 81.4, 82, 82.3, 83, almost. You're not touching. Alright, Miss Brophy, here's our checkup, number 2 or 3 or something. We are on our second set of baking soda. We put in 20 grams this time. We're boiling all 3 right now. And we're gonna go check on what's freezing. I think we're pretty close. Yeah, salt and sugar seem to be pretty much fully frozen, and baking soda is not yet. So we'll let you know later. Alright, Miss Brophy, checkup number 4. Yeah. Alright, we are doing our second round of heating. This is all salt. This is all salt. And this is, yes, this is the second round. We decided to up our amount to 20 grams to the same amount of water. And so hopefully this will raise our boiling points. So, yes, we have this going right now. None of them are boiling, but they all got completely dissolved into the water. We used a whisk, just FYI. We took the freezing points of all our sugar samples.
Ooh.
And now we're waiting on our BS baking soda and salt to freeze. So, just to let you know, we'll be back.
What?
Alright, Miss Brophy, checkup number 5, I believe. We are heating up our last samples, and this guy is actually probably done. Alright, yeah, this is all of our baking soda. We're taking the boiling points. What's interesting is these haven't been, they seem like they haven't been right. Like, it's been under 100 degrees as their boiling point, which is kind of interesting. Like, it should be over because we're adding more, but it's not. So, I don't know, we'll see why. Alright, our first batch of freezing temperatures have been recorded, and we are starting our second round of data. Just about to put the other solutions in that are going to freeze. So we'll give you an update in a little while. Miss Brophy, 6th and final update on our project. So as you can see, we are done boiling. That annoying fan is off. Everything's all poured out and everything. And we have our second batch of stuff being frozen in the freezer. Actually, our second batch of baking soda and salt.
Sugar.
And the sugar, we are on our third batch. So, have all our freezing. What's good is our freezing points have turned up to be below 0, so we do know that these properties are taking effect, which is a good thing because it didn't seem to be happening in our boiling points. Alright, so what else? Yeah, it's a good project.
A Okay, for our percent error for baking soda on 10 grams was 34.5% for freezing and 17.45% on boiling. For 15 grams, we had 35.8% of freezing and 8.2% on boiling. For 20, we had 75.6% freezing and 18.5% boiling. For salt at 10 grams, we had 17.2% for freezing and 9.4% on boiling. 15 grams, we had 4.8% at freezing and 0.99% on boiling. For 20 grams, we had 29.5% freezing and 2.4% of boiling. For sugar at 10 grams, we had 10.493% of freezing and 19.23% of boiling. For 15 grams, we had 18.9% freezing and 4.69% boiling. For 20 grams of sugar, we had 57% freezing and 6.1% boiling. Where we made mistakes was when we were boiling, we didn't have lids on the containers, so we could have lost some of the solute, and then for freezing, we didn't get it right when it froze, so it could have been colder than what it was at the freezing point.